The gasoline engine, the parts and how it works.
Good morning, I'm Joseph from D and Daya, and I'm here to introduce you to the gasoline engine. This is the parts of the gasoline engine. The carburetor, it's somewhere inside there, it's hiding, you cannot see it. Then, the spark plug. This is the spark plug. Spark plug. Then, the piston is inside this engine and the crankshaft, you cannot see it, somewhere over there. First, the gasoline and the air will be mixed in the carburetor, then the heated airtight cylinder will be compressed, lead to the ignition of the spark plug. This is the hose where the fuel will be injected in, and this is the spark plug as I've shown you before. And resulting to the explosion of gases forcing the piston to move down, then moving the transmitted to the crankshaft that makes the wheels turn.
The diesel engine, the parts and how it works.
And now, this is the diesel engine. I'm gonna show you the parts of the diesel engine. This hose here, this light hose, is where the gasoline is injected as a fine spray in this compressor. And of course, you can see this is the engine. Then there's no spark plug there. Then of course the battery. It is Motolite Gold. Now I'm gonna show you. As the air is injected as a fine spray in this compressor, then as a fine spray, the air will be compressed, and at the temperature of 540 degrees Celsius, it will combust, causing the piston to move down and the crankshaft to move, causing the wheels to move. And then again, my name is Joseph. I'm Joseph Ralph. This is diesel engine.
The parts and how it works.
Hi, I'm Joseph Ralph, D and Daya.
And I'm Nicole Munoz.
And we're going to show you how the aircon works. But first, we're going to label the parts of this air conditioner. Somewhere inside here, there is the cooling coils, and this big thing right here, this black one, is called the compressor, and these tubings right here, these coils, are called the condensing coil.
And this fan thing right here is the condensing fan. Now that we've shown you the parts, I'll tell you now how the aircon works. First of all, the hot warm air is being absorbed through this thing and goes to the cooling coils. Then warm air together with the refrigerant goes inside this compressor where everything will become compressed. Then they will go to this condensing coil where they will be condensed as liquid, and then the warm air will be released as liquid, and the refrigerant goes back to the cooling coil, and the process repeats over and over again.
Hi, I'm Joseph Ralph D and Daya,
And I'm Henry Nicole Munoz.
and we're going to show you how the refrigerator works. But first, I'm going to label the parts. These vertical lines right here, these vertical lines are called condensing coil, and these wavy lines between it, these are called expansion valve. And inside this wall right here, inside this wall, there is a continuous wavy lines, and these are called expansion coil.
And now I am showing you this part. This is called the compressor. This wire here connected is called the high pressure valve, and this other wire is called the low pressure valve. And let's not forget The plug.
A pump run by a motor compresses the refrigerant and forces it to a coil of tubing called the condenser coil where it condenses. The liquefied refrigerant is sent to another coil of tubing called the expansion coil where the pressure is kept sufficiently low to allow the liquefied gas to evaporate. The latent heat of vaporization needed to change the liquefied gas to vapor is taken from the food and air inside of the refrigerator.